The sun rises, but nothing has changed. Empty plates and silent pain. Little hands are reaching out, asking questions I can't explain. Shoes are torn, the road is long. Every day we just hold on. I try to smile, I try to be strong, but inside I'm barely holding on. I see dreams in their little eyes, but the world just passes by. No one sees, no one hears all the silent hidden tears, broken homes and empty streets. Hope is fading, hearts are weak. Still we sing, though we're in need, holding on to what we believe. If I could give them the world, I would. If I could take their pain, I would. But all